Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our micro podcast at Creators Nooked. And I'm your host, Radha Krishnan. And today we are exploring the essence of creative spirit. We are focusing on a quote that resonates with many of us, especially photographers. The world breaks everyone, and afterwards, many are strong at the broken places. If you're tuning in, you likely view the world through a lens, capturing life's raw, unfiltered beauty. You understand that a perfect shot often emerges from trial and error, where moments of chaos yield those instances where light and shadow meet, revealing beauty in its purest, truest form. Let's explore how our broken places become sources of strength. As photographers, brokenness is a familiar concept. Each shutter click is an attempt to capture fleeting perfections amidst imperfections. We chase light across cracked pavements, immortalize smiles through tears, and uncover stories in every wrinkle and shadow. These broken places are the place where magic resides. Consider your favorite photograph. It's not just the subject or the lighting that makes it special, it's a story behind it. Perhaps it was taken on a rainy day with uncooperative weather, or it emerged from an unexpected encounter leading to that perfect moment. It's in these challenges, these disruptions in your plans, that something extraordinary unfolds. Close your eyes for a moment and envision your journey. Think about times when things didn't go well as planned. The shoots that fell through, the equipment failures, missed opportunities. How did you feel? More importantly, what did you learn? Each setback is a brushstroke on the canvas of your creative life. They are the shadows adding depth to your art, making the highlights shine brighter. These are the broken places where you learned resilience, adaptability, and innovation. Embrace these broken places. Like a photograph, your life is a mosaic of light and shadow, highs and lows. These contrasts make your story compelling and your journey worthwhile. Remember, each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and more refined. Appreciate the strength that you've gained from your struggles. You have adapted to changing light, discovered the beauty in unexpected places, and captured the moments that tell meaningful stories. Your resilience is the key asset. As you heard from your camera, try to capture not just what is beautiful, but what is real. Seek out those broken places and let them be the backdrop of your art. Let them remind you of your journey and the strength you've gained. Share these stories with the world. They are the narratives that connect us all. Remember, photographers, the world may break us in many ways, but it also shapes us into who we are meant to be. Your art is a testament to your resilience. So keep shooting, keep exploring, and let your vision illuminate every photograph. Thank you for joining me today on this micro podcast at Creators Nooked. If you've enjoyed this episode, please share it with your fellow photographers and creators. Remember, the world needs your perspective, your strength, and your story. Until next time, continue to find the strength within the shadows and beauty in broken places. Bye for now.